you have a situation whereby people go and spread their cloth on electric wire. It's because power is not there. So when we make power available, the people will be the custodian of the assets. They are going to guard the asset jealously, having come from little or no amount of power supply to near constant availability of power. Then all of these things will disappear, visibility will be there, and you see, so we have to look at
But we used to have a system where if somebody attempts to steal anything electric, the person will just get electrocuted. Isn't that the best kind of security that we can bring to the fore?
electricity provision has to be safe. And yes, it is true that people get electrocuted if they go and try to steal or vandalize electricity infrastructure worldwide. This happens. But for us, our key focus will be looking at the gas supply system. What is the status of our gas supply system, the infrastructure? Also, we look at the transportation of the gas to the generating plants. So we have to deal with the infrastructure problem. And now for the generating plants themselves, we have to look at their statuses. We want to know what are you able to deliver, and what are the problems with the machines, and what can you actually deliver to the people. Now,
Okay.
after the generating plant, you now have to talk about the transmission corridor. So what is the capacity? What can it carry? And also the distribution, the one that takes to you and I, our homes and offices and the industries. What is the capacity? So the Presidential Power Initiative is first of all looking at fixing the transmission and distribution infrastructure problems. So, but while we are doing that, we are also looking at this gas supply end, so that everything has to be end to end. In the past, it has not been done end to end, and so this end to end philosophy is what we have to look at for.
Sometimes some people have celebrated President Muhammad Buhari as a president of continuity. How hopeful are we that the PPI project will continue? Does all this success we expect, does it rest on its continuing, or will the project be finalized by May?
No, this project is in three phases. It's between the government of Nigeria and the government of Germany. So the Presidential Power Initiative is something that should be stuck to. It should continue. Development of power system takes quite some time. So gone are the days when people just say that by December 2023 we are going to get 10,000 or 40,000 megawatt from the blues. No, but it takes time to develop power systems. It takes time to build transformers, to build substations, to install them, to energize them, and then for people to start feeling effect. But if we continue the path we are now pursued, I think we are going to see light at the end of the tunnel. So this is something that
We need it, we deserve it, we're optimistic. I like the talk of power systems, first degree power systems, master's power, this PhD power systems, man. You have great gist, great things for Nigeria this year, and we're very hopeful and optimistic. Now talk to Nigerians in this new year. I'm the one that is so fired up. I don't know if they're as excited as I am about what I'm hearing here today. Tell them what they can expect in the next few months and weeks, talking about power and a new fresh outlook for 2023.
Yes, certainly. Throughout various districts and states and distribution areas in Nigeria, we are certainly going to install different ratings of power transformers. We already have one in Ajah and also another here in Akbo and Abuja being installed. We will have in other parts of Nigeria transformers that are going to be installed. This will unlock capacities, and also following that we will have the installation of 1060 MVA mobile substations. So these mobile substations are like plug and play. So you connect them to the transmission line, it provides power immediately to the people. So the advantage of this is where you do not have power originally, you can deploy them there. Where you have existing power stations, you can deploy them there. And if you have power supply cuts, rather than keep people in darkness, you can quickly deploy them there and get people on supply. The key thing is get people on supply. And I think the Presidential Power Initiative is one of the best legacies in the power sector that will take us to the promised land in terms of electrical power systems.
We look forward to arriving the Nigeria of our dreams. We didn't just carve that phrase lightly. You know, it's like we did our research and saw what is possible, all the work that's being done, and those who are working assiduously to bring that Nigeria to the fore so that over 200 million people can smile. It's been a pleasure chatting with you. Did we say happy